Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to fix DALL-E Mini not working on phone. So our first solution is to fix this problem. We need to update our browser. So for that, go to your Play Store and search here the browser you are using. And if you see any update available for your browser, then you will need to download the update and now go to your browser and check the problem is fixed or not. And if you're still having the same problem, then follow this step 2. Step 2 is we need to use a VPN. So for that, go to Play Store and search here Super VPN. And you can install this VPN, and it's a very lightweight and easy to use VPN. So install this VPN and tap on open and tap on connect. Once you connect it with your VPN, go to your browser and check the problem is fixed or not. And our last solution is we need to use incognito mode. So open your browser and tap on this 3-dot icon to the upper right hand corner. Tap on new incognito tab, and all you have to need, just type here DALL-E Mini and open DALL-E Mini website, and that's how you can fix this problem. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.